Here's how to loose lace Nike Dunk Lows. Start by taking a hold of your lace, and we're going to feed each lace end down into the two very bottom eyelets on either side from above. So take your lace on the left down into that very bottom eyelet from above, put it out the way, swap to the other one on the right and take it down to the very bottom eyelet from above. And before you pull those through, bring your lace ends together, grab a hold of your sneakers and pull. And that will mean they'll come out of equal length on either side. If yours haven't, don't worry about it. Pause the video, make sure they're equal before we carry on. Then keep a hold of the lace on the left, bring it over to the right and down into the second eyelet up from the bottom on this side. Always making sure it's going down into it from above, not up from underneath. Then swap to your lace on the right, bring it over and down into that second eyelet on the left and pull it through. Looking good. Now you don't want to pull these through too tight because it is a loose lace style and you want to be able to get your foot in and out. Keep a hold of the lace on the left, bring it over, down into the next empty eyelet on the right. Swap to the other one, bring it over to the left and down into the next empty eyelet. Now remember, you can play this video on a half speed or pause as much as you need to. There's literally no rush at all. Keep a hold of the lace on the left, bring it over to the right, down to the next empty eyelet. Swap to the lace on the right, bring it over to the left, down to the next empty eyelet. Now for the loose lace style, we skip the little tongue loop, so just don't worry about that. Keep hold of the lace on the left, bring it over to the right, down to the next empty eyelet. Swap to the lace on the right, bring it over to the left and down to the next empty eyelet from above. Keep hold of this lace on the left, bring it over to the right and down to the next empty eyelet. Swap to the right hand lace, bring it to the left and down to the next empty eyelet. Now, when you reach the final eyelet, we're going to do something a little bit different here. Keep a hold of the lace on the left and you want to bring it up through that eyelet from underneath this time and pull it through around about this much. Don't worry about this bit of lace, we'll sort it in a second. Swap to your right hand lace, bring it over to the left and up through that final eyelet from underneath and only pull it through about that much. Then just go ahead with this excess little bit of loop and tuck it behind the sneaker tongue. And that'll sit out of the way and you'll be able to slip them on and off without the need for tying them up each time. Repeat on your other sneaker and you'll have an awesome pair of loose lace Nike Dunk Lows. If you found the info in this video helpful, please hit the like button for me to help it reach more people and consider subscribing for all your sneaker lacing content. Thanks guys!